Good day to each and everyone. My name is Bomber Tesascar and I am the reporter for today's. So we're going to tackle about the DepEd ICT in Education's policy framework. So what is DepEd ICT in Education policy framework all about? Okay. The Department of Education, or specifically in the Philippines, aims to integrate information and communication technology, or ICT, into the educational system to enhance learning and teaching processes. The framework focuses on several key components to ensure the successful implementations of ICT and in education. So basically meaning ICT are being integrated in education to enhance learning and teaching processes in the Philippines. So they want or this topics aims that they want to integrate the use of technology, specifically I think advantagements of technology in the departments of educations. So next. So what is the goal of DepEd, ICT, and education policy frameworks? So what are the goals of DepEd? That is DepEd, ICT, and education policy framework. So ano nga ba yung mga goal ng mga ng DepEd ICT? Bakit kailangan lang yung DepEd ICT or yung ICT? They want it to link or they want it to integrate it in educations. So it is among DepEd's effort to raise the ICT literacy to learners, teachers, and schools head by integrating ICT in the school system by providing laboratory package to secondary schools and electronic classroom to elementary schools. So if you're going to notice now, in every schools, there's have a lab computer. So the ICT, the DepEd ICT require those schools to have a lab computer in order to integrate, in order to use those technology, those advantage of technology in the field of education. So that's why the DepEd also, if I'm not mistaken, implementing and must have school have a lab computer. Next is visions and goals. What are the visions and goals of DepEd ICT here? So it outlines the Departments of Education's visions for using ICT to transmit or transform educations and make it available anytime, anywhere through revitalizing schools, linking students to online resources, and developing critical thinking skills and fostering lifelong learning habits. So as we can see, let's emphasize here is that availability or available anytime, anywhere through revitalizing schools, linking student to online resources, and develop critical thinking skills, etc. So meaning that the education, so departments of education's vision is to use the ICT to transform the educations of the period, specifically Philippines, to make it the time of students and a time of teacher to make it flexible so that anywhere, anytime they can what? They can teach. So give an example is that when a student or when a teachers are in different locations of a student. For example, the teachers are at their home and the students are at their home also. So even though there's a barrier of distance of these two, even though they cannot interact physically, they can utilize technology to use it as advantagement. Even though there's a barrier in terms of location, they can still teach. There's also interaction because by the use of the technology nowadays. And also there's some online resources. So when I said online resources, those are the e-library that they can implement, no? So in online resources, they can have different kinds of information, even though they don't, even though they will not going to buy a book, because all the informations are accessible in online nowadays. So that's are the two um they to utilize or advantage of technology that they want to use it in the field of educations. Next is key component. Okay, wait a minute. It's to modernize the education system to preparing students for a digital living world by focusing on infrastructure, teacher training, curriculum changes, and equal access. The framework aims to improve the quality of education and promote digital literacy. In simpler terms, it's about using technology to make education better, more engaging, and accessible to anyone, to everyone, while also ensuring the teachers and schools have the tools and training they need to succeed. So basically, it's just they want, or it's aims that they want to integrate the technology in the field of education to make better our educations and more engaging and accessible to everyone, and also improve the quality of education. So we need to kailangan natin makisabay sa pagbabago ng mundo because technology itself are being used in different field, not just by its in education, but also technology is being we are using it in our daily life. So that's why the advantagements, we must take advantage of those in the technology and link it or put it in the educations to make improve our educations. Next is implementing strategies. What are the implementing strategies of the technology? Hindi naman pa pwedeng we just want to link those, we just want to integrate technology in the field of education without implementing strategy. We need to strategize what we can do in order to um minimize, or let's say to take those advantages and remove the disadvantage of technology. By adopting these implementing strategies, the DepEd ICT education policy framework can be rolled out effectively, ensuring access, equity, and quality in education across the Philippines. The goal is not only to integrate technology but to use it as a tool that enhance learning outcomes for all students regardless of backgrounds or location. So just what like I said earlier, regardless of background or locations, they can still have interactions online that leading in education. So the best example here in a situation where we are in the pandemic. When we are in the pandemic, there's no face-to-face or physical contact. So that's why other schools are implementing the modular and the technology things. What do I mean? What do I mean by technology things? They are implementing um, online student. I mean online, teaching online using by Zoom, using by different platform that they can use in ICT to integrate it in the education. Just like in classroom, Google Classroom, they have a access even though they cannot see the student. They are not in the same location. The teacher can implement or can give activities by the use of technology and receiving those activities of a student because of the technology also. So that's all. Thank you for the listening. Thank you for listening to our topic.